The price action for this week can send you home if you are not careful, because the price action for this week was very, very, very crazy. Now let's look at the news event that came out this week. You can see, and I think for this week, right? Even if news is positive or negative, I don't think it's affecting the technical analysis. Now, on Monday, we had the news and it was positive to dollar. This was on Tuesday. It was positive to dollar, was negative to dollar, was positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative. So overall, okay, yeah. Overall, no, 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 sorry, was positive, negative, then positive. So overall, I think we had like positive to dollar, right? So obviously, dollar is supposed to be buying and the rest is supposed to be selling. But I think it was on Thursday. I can remember vividly. It was on Thursday where dollar was negative, which we were supposed to sell. Obviously, market was selling that day. Let's look at the technical analysis on Thursday, right? This is this is Friday. This was on Thursday. Market was supposed to sell on DXY, but obviously we're seeing huge buy on gold and sorry, market was selling on DXY and gold also was still selling. Cryptos too was still selling because obviously I was in the market then and I was like confused because I don't really understand. Now, if you've watched the previous video, this guy here is still on the weekly time frame. We've not left there. We're still currently at that fair value gap here. We're just dancing around as well. So market has not like given us a clear move to the downside. Maybe my I don't know. We're still consolidating on this zone here, right? So yeah, and I think I said to myself that um I think I take a bold decision this year because this year I don't want to be jumping from one pair to another because I this week was crazy. Like gold can be doing well, but crypto will be doing obviously a different price action. Same thing goes with US 30 and NASDAQ, which is stock. So I was like, you know what? Let me just stick to one first until maybe when the price action, maybe when market is now settled, then I can now bring in some like the pairs back, which is BTCUSD and US 30. But for now, I think I'll just stick with just gold. Let me just focus on gold. That's why even the DXY is not on my watch list. Maybe, and whenever I want to analyze, I can just like go um, analyze there. But for now, I'm just sticking with just gold, and I don't want to be moving from one pair to another because if I hit SL on gold, I hit SL on gold. It's not like gold will be doing something different from US 30 or BTC stuff like that. So yeah, so like I've been preaching before now, we're currently still on the bullish move. This is a bull run, and we're still very bullish on the gold. This um this fair value gap price came to tap. Well, let me look at this. Okay, okay, no, this fair value gap is still valid. But remember, I said on the previous video that for what I've seen, that there are some ways that price can just feel fair value gap like this, like feel from the left side, then you can also feel for the right side. That's why this guy never came down to like feel whole completely because this guy has done like the business already. So that's the same thing I'm seeing here. But obviously, I don't know. Maybe next week we might just we might expect a sell to this guy or a continuation to the upside because this I like the way this candle closed last this week, sorry, 4 hours. So for on general buyers for gold, I'm still very, very, very bullish. Like I'm still very bullish on gold. Yeah. So let me look. Let me go on lower time frame. I think I called this by. I called this by. I don't know why this is very slow this morning. My price reacted on this zone here. Tapped on this other block. I went online chat. Couldn't find that shit. So that was just a manipulation. You get so. And currently price is still reacting on this demand zone here. So that's, let me bring it back to the candlesticks. If you remember, I always like to talk about this kind of candle. My piece is very slow. One, two, three. That's how I took the buy here. So yeah, just like one, two. No, I think I got 1 to 5. That's on the lower time frame. That's how I got the buy, and I use my 5 minutes for entry because this guy price tapped this fair value gap here. So now currently, what am I looking at here? This is an NFP low, right? It's NFP high. Price took out multiple liquidities here, right? Because you have like so many equal highs. Price has price did a manipulation to the upside to take out like series of buy side liquidities, right? Now, obviously, we still have uh, NFP low to be taken. So until I see a sweep of this low next week, then I don't think I'll be looking for buys. Do you get? And this is still a drawn liquidity to me. This week here, these are two low hanging fruits. I need price to take them out. So maybe obviously next week price might just like react into this um fair value gap above. Like you can see here, price has done like an IO fed already. But I don't know if price might still like go over to this guy and take this Friday high, then maybe sell to the downside. Two low hanging fruits, then see the drawn liquidity here. This guy. I remember we have a fair value gap here. So I don't know, maybe next week I might just be looking for sales first. Do you get? But it's not like I see I'll not be looking for buys. I've said this countless times on this YouTube channel that my goal is to catch pips. I'm not looking for a trend. Do you get? So I'm not looking for what the market is doing. If market, how will I even put it? I'm not gender. I said gender. I'm not trained bias. God, I'm not trained bias. Do you get? If price is bullish, obviously I will be looking for a pattern to continue the bullish pattern. Price is bearish, I will be looking for. It's not like I'm too emotionally attached to bullish or bearish that once price is giving me a bearish pattern, I'll not be looking for bearish because I'm team bullish, stuff like that. No, I've said next week two low hanging fruits with the drawn liquidity and a fair value gap here. So let's see what will happen next week. So yeah. So let's see what will happen next week. So what I'm expecting for next week, like I said, price now. Okay, now if you look on the lower time frame, you see that price is consolidating. I would like to see something like a Judas swing next week. Yeah, I'll go should be high, then maybe down to this side. So let's see for next week. You get, but if price is not going to come to this side, then maybe take out these two low hanging fruits. Then I don't know, maybe react on this proportion block here. But obviously, I would like price. I would want price to take out this guy first. You get, but let's see what will happen next week. So always, please and please always apply proper risk management. Uh, Trade safe, stay blessed. See you on the next video.